Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. I know it hasn't been a while, or it has been a while since I've posted. I'm sorry about that. School. Luckily I just got out of school. Now it's summer. Woohoo! Yay. Probably not gonna post for another long time, but I will. Actually, I am going on a vacation. I will definitely send videos of the place. Frick, what just happened? I'm deciding to do something different. This is not a normal, oh, this is just blank screen and game, or it's not like the normal, what do you call them? It's not like one of those normal, it's like one of those, you didn't allow screen recording. No, it's not that. But basically, it's basically gonna be like one of those videos where those like storytime YouTubers where it's like you play a game while building making a story. It's kind of like that, but different. Actually, it's exactly like that. Okay, so basically what we're doing today is story time. This is just a fictional story. So me and my friends, why did I say it like that? The first time make me sound like I have no friends. And that is true. A bit. But anyways. So I'm at a mall with my friends, right? And a guy comes up to me. I don't want to do this. What about flip? I'll just do a normal gameplay game. Eventually come back for supplies. Frick! Come in. So first we're getting started with the outline of the base. I'm choosing this entire thing because why not? There's gonna be lots of food stashes. You need that food stash, you know? That was a food stash. And really do live without food stash. Don't worry, I don't have one of my own in real life. It would just be weird and kind of sad, actually. So yeah, just building base, something normal. People build bases out of Ikea stuff, right? Mm. Be that type of plank wood thing. Ooh, yes. Yes. What am I doing here? I want to be here. So, like, see those ladders up there? Basically, I'm gonna be using those as bridges, to bridge across the shelves. I'm gonna try to make like a shoot, it's very dark. Might wanna grab that. I don't like it here. I actually think nothing appears in, like, the first couple nights. I don't know. The brightness is all the way up. Wait until, like, a blood moon comes, like, or blood night, blood moon thing comes, like, the first. Imagine you're, like, playing in a server, you're, like, having a normal time in the server, except it's, like, night, employees are out. Like, you just started. Employees are out. And it's night. Like, this is, like, first, second stuff. Good. I think. Oh, flip, I'm gonna have to make the ends much bigger. Because, like, I think you can, like, jump the fences. Maybe, yep. very dark out. I can't see a dang thing. Good thing I'm gonna have like lights like these lights, but like much shorter on like the poles. No face reveal. Boop, 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 boop. Stealing plywood. I think this is plywood. No, wait, these are like crates for like the, shoot, what are those names? Those like vehicles that are like in stores and stuff. They're like in Home Depot and like. There. Okay. In a weird way. So we're setting up the base. Walls are always important when starting up a base, you know. You need those walls. Yeah, like you need the walls to like show like the boundaries of like how far your competitors can go. I should probably stop talking. Boop. I like this game. This game is really fun. Spoopy. And I can't turn around for my dear life. It's all good. Oh yeah, it's really raining outside right now, so yeah. I might have an idea. It's a very big base. At least I marked it. So I always know where it is. I wish these things were like slightly bigger, you know, so like it would like cover that and then like go up there. You know, like it would just be so perfect instead of having to do this. Imagine if they were much smaller. Oh god, no. Gosh, no. I would not like that. Oh yeah, people usually hit me like crazy. What the heck? Is it just me or is it? No. It can't be. No. No. also, I just hate those YouTubers who like when they're trying to spell hell, and then they replace the E with 3, like this. Like that just, no. I hate those YouTubers. Hell is not a bad word. It's a bad place, but it isn't much of a bad word. Even the Bible says it at times, I think. And then it's like don't say bad words. It's not you displease God with those bad words. Almost finished up making walls. I mean, I'm not too worried about saying bad words because this is not supposed to be a kid friendly video. I mean, some kids might find this cool, okay, maybe some people. But this, nah. This is just kind of too violent. After a couple nights, this is Doom Eternal, that type of game. Is basically that, but just different. It's getting near, the time where I usually have to get off and, start a new recording. I'm gonna do different videos, multiple different videos on this, because this is a really fun game. I enjoy this game. This game is fun as heck. I could probably just pause the video. I hope to... Okay, so that's gonna be the conclusion of part 1 of, being